This is a nice EDSWG keypad. Right, so if you want to change the code, you'll need to know the current code of the corresponding channel in order to do this process. So first step, you need to hold the 0, press the channel you want to change. So today we're going to change A, release the A, release the 0. Put in your current code, followed by the channel button. Now put in your new code, followed by the channel button, and once more to confirm. You'll hear 3 beeps to confirm that the code has now changed. That tone is the transmission tone. If it is incorrect, you will hear a tone of 3 short beeps telling you it's incorrect.